FATN stock analysis. This is Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at FatPipe Incorporated, $7.91 with 24% up. So where the heck are we going to be heading next? This is how my chart's looking like. You know, FatPipe finally, meaning started breaking this double break and highs here, but this is invalid. So it was at that exact moment. We obviously didn't have that much data, but with the data that we had, I tried to work with it, right? Now, context, I've made more videos than anyone else in the space with 39,000 videos, and I documented all this on my YouTube channel. I mean, looking furthermore, I like the shift. It's a very big fan, by the way. But pumps like this, I've seen a ton. I'm not saying that this is going to dump, but ideally I want to see a second break above like 11 bucks in this case. And if there is no double break, there is going to be no buying from my end. So let me know what is your opinion on FATN. If no rules are met, I'm not going to buy. If you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, then just click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.